In this adventure, we're going to show you one of the most child-friendly places you can bring your kids in LA. So we're at Proud Bird Restaurant and Event Center in El Segundo, California. It is probably the most highly recommended places locally to bring your kids and hang out, where the parents can kind of just relax and have fun while the kids also have fun. And so we wanted to show you this place. It's a perfect time to bring them because it is the holidays and people have time off. So inside there's an event space and there's also restaurants. It's almost like a food hall, so it has different restaurant vendors, including Bludso's the world famous Bludso's Barbecue actually has a shop in there. So we're gonna grab some food later. But outside this area, there's a playground and there's actual like planes. I believe they're replicas, I'm not 100% sure, but it's also a great place to see planes land and take off because it's right next to LAX. And so if any of your kids love airplanes, this is the place to come hang out. There's also a bar inside, so you could get your adult beverages on while you relax. So there's always that too. So difficult, Kayla. Down! Woo! Right, so we actually ordered our food and just got it. We ordered from two different places. So first is the Bludso's Barbecue. Bludso's Barbecue is pretty famous and big around here. I think the original location is in like Crenshaw, and they have an outpost here. So we ordered a little bit of everything. So there's some brisket, sausage, pork ribs, and pulled pork, potato salad, and baked beans. And then next door there is a burger place. So we got a mix of sides and a burger. So this is the loaded tater tots with some cheese and bacon, and then jalapeno poppers, which sounds interesting, and then onion rings. Let's dig in. I'm gonna start by digging into this brisket. It definitely looks like it's like the fatty brisket because you see this layer of fat right here. I'm gonna just cut a piece. And I like to try it without any sauce first. It's smoky, it's fatty. It's good. And then try a little bit with barbecue sauce. I wish the meat was a little bit more melt in your mouth, but otherwise it's really good. It's not too salty. And then I'm gonna dig into the sausage. This sausage, it's snappy. It's salty barbecue goodness. Now let's try some of these pork items. I'm gonna try the pulled pork first. Look at that. It's smothered in a little bit of sauce. That's really tasty. Oh, that pulled pork. I wish I had a bun to like make my own little slider. And then here's the ribs. You see a nice smoke ring actually right here? Let's see. You get a good smoky flavor, and that crust is really good. I feel like I wish the meat was a little bit more tender, but I understand that this isn't like the original joint. So, it's really good for a food hall though. I like it. Let's see what these baked beans are about. They look pretty like red and delicious. It's very sweet. Like it's kind of thick. I like it. You can see like little bits of meat in there too. So I'm not exactly sure what meat they use, but has a little bit of a kick, like a pepperiness. And then, last but not least, we gotta get some potato salad. You can see I think it's like green onions in there. And there's celery. It's a nice creamy flavor. Almost tastes a little eggy. And it helps balance all the other fattiness out. All right, let's dig into some of these other fried goodies that we got. This one's is just a burger. It looks like it's like a double cheeseburger with some sort of, there's like a In-N-Out type of sauce, like special sauce in here. It's a pretty basic burger, but the bread is really, really soft. That's like really good. And then these are jalapeno poppers. Let's open it up. You can see the cream cheese. And then these onion rings. Onion rings. They're not like breaded, it's just like a batter. And some tots. These are Kayla's favorites. She likes the bacon. I personally like the tots the most out of all these items too. I am a tots kind of gal, but I think I'd prefer like the barbecue food over this one in general. And the really cool thing about this place is that you can watch planes take off and land all day. So if you have kids that are really into airplanes, this is like really ideal for that. It's pretty cool. I'm absolutely stuffed. I'm so full. We're gonna have to get boxes. So I think it's because of the holidays and it's maybe because it's the weekend, but there's Santa here too, so maybe we'll see if Kayla will cooperate and say hi to Santa. Kayla, say hi!
Try.
Hi! Hi! Cheese! Cheese! Bye! Bye! No, it's not time to say bye yet. We're leaving Proud Bird and we're gonna head over to Candy Cane Lane in El Segundo to see some Christmas lights. We're now here at the Candy Cane Lane. It's actually located at 1200 East Acacia Street, I think, in El Segundo. And they close off a whole street and the whole block is decorated. And I think at 7 o'clock there's like a Santa that appears. So we're here before that because it does get crowded around 6 p.m. at night. Gave in and got Kayla a balloon because how often are we here, right? It's cool because they have like vendors, just homeowners too, selling like hot chocolate and popcorn and of course balloons. Daddy! Look, it's Daddy! That's a wrap on this holiday themed video. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and hit that subscribe button if you want more content. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye.